Hi, I'm Jamie Hope, founder of Methyl-Life, a supplement company that specializes in products for people with MTHFR and methylation challenges. One of the questions I get asked most often is, what should I take? How much? How often? When should I increase my dose or add other nutrients to the mix? All great questions. And I'll start with folks who are super sensitive. We suggest you start with a little of our well-tolerated active form of B12, hydroxocobalamin, to kind of prime the methylation pump, so to speak. Begin with half of a tablet and take this for 3 to 4 days if you have no negative reactions. Then consider adding 1 to 2 of our methylated multivitamin tablets with food for 3 to 4 days if you have no negative reactions. Then add half a tablet of our Methylfolate 2.5 product and take this for 3 to 4 days. Are you seeing a pattern here? Essentially, we want you to make one change and hold that change, making no others for a few days to help you track down any potential negative reactions. And if at any point you make a change and start feeling bad, then stop, or go back to the point where you were feeling fine. If you haven't had any negative reactions yet, then start again with the hydroxocobalamin and add another half a tablet, making it 1 tablet now that you're taking for 3 to 4 days. Then add 2 more of the methylated multivitamin tablets for 3 to 4 days, and again another half tablet of the Methylfolate 2.5, making it a full tablet again for 3 to 4 days. This is the way that we suggest you incrementally increase your dosage or introduce new nutrients into your daily regimen. It's one way to find the offending culprit when or if you start feeling bad or are having a negative reaction to something.
The dose that people need of methylfolate to help with their MTHFR gene mutation can often change throughout life. I find in periods of high stress, sometimes people need a little bit more support, and then sometimes they'll be on a roll and doing great and they can actually decrease a little bit. So it will kind of vary over time, and I think that's a great time to work with a practitioner just to kind of check in every once in a while and make sure the dose that you're on is keeping your symptoms low or gone, but maybe not overstimulating you too.
If you've got depression and you want to try to take 10 milligrams of methylfolate in order to help ease that symptom, then continue to increase your methylfolate slowly. Maybe 1 additional 2.5 tablet every 3 to 4 days until you reach your 10 milligram goal, unless you feel bad. Then in that case, stop and go back down to a dosage or nutrient regime that makes you feel good or at least neutral. For more details, check out our website at methyl-life.com. I'm Jamie Hope. I wish you the best of health.